So, a little while ago, I had the idea to make a background light for photos and videos. It can be used to add a little color to the background of a video, and I could use one, so I thought I'd try making one. At first I had the idea of making something with programming Arduino, but then I realized I could just make something much simpler. So I opened up my super expensive schematic creating software, and I began drawing out the simplified version. It's basically just 3 lights that can be toggled by switches. I built a quick prototype with the breadboard, and it worked exactly as I thought it would. Turning on multiple lights at once makes different colors. To make it brighter, I added more LEDs parallel with each other. Putting it in parallel makes all of the LEDs get the same amount of power, making them the same amount of brightness. Now that I had the circuit fully planned out, I could finally start making it. To start off, I'm going to solder the components to a PCB that I got off of Amazon a while ago. This is going to take a while, so here's an epic gamer time lapse. Here's the finished product, and it looks pretty garbage. The only wires that I had were pretty thick, so it ended up just being extremely bulky, but it works. For a case, I'm using a can because of its reflective surface, and because of its size. I cut out flaps with a box cutter knife. It looks trash because it is, but it'll work. I'm not really going for looks anyway. I covered the inside of the can with duct tape to prevent shortages. To attach the PCB to the can, I glued a dowel to it and poked holes in the can. Now all that's left is wiring all of the components together, so... I also attached a nut to it so I can attach it to a tripod. And there you have it, a crappy looking can that lights up, but it works pretty well. Well, that'll do it for me. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, I guess. That would be cool.